Lesson number 10. The Sukun and Jazm. Instructions. Have students memorize the name and shape of Jazm and also answer these questions. What is Jazm? What the letter with a Jazm called? How many times that letter is read or pronounced? Have students distinguish between similarly pronounced letters, like
Fa, Sin, Sad, Zal, Za, Za. Ab, Hamza ba zabar, ab. Ib, Hamza ba zir, ib. Ub, Hamza ba pesh, ub. At, Hamza ta zabar, at. It, Hamza ta zir, it. Ut, Hamza ta pesh, ut. As, Hamza sa zabar, as. Is, Hamza sa zir, is. Us, Hamza sa pesh, us. Aj, Hamza jim zabar, aj. Ij, Hamza jim zir, ij. Uj, Hamza jim pesh, uj. Ah, Hamza ha zabar, ah. Ih, Hamza ha zir, ih. Oh, Hamza ha pesh, oh. Akh, Hamza kha zabar, akh. Ich, Hamza kha zir, ich. Ukh, Hamza kha pesh, ukh. Ad, Hamza dal zabar, ad. Id, Hamza dal zir, id. Ud, Hamza dal pesh, ud. Az, Hamza dal zabar, az. Iz, Hamza dal zir, iz. Uz, Hamza dal pesh, uz. Ad, Hamza ra zabar, ad. Ir, Hamza ra zir, ir. Ur, Hamza ra pesh, ur. Az, Hamza za zabar, az. Iz, Hamza za zir, iz. Uz, Hamza za pesh, uz. As, Hamza sin zabar, as. Is, Hamza sin zir, is. Us, Hamza sin pesh, us. Ash, Hamza shin zabar, ash. Ish, Hamza shin zir, ish. Ush, Hamza shin pesh, ush.
To see the full video, click on the suggested video link below.